Anytime you start something really new, you always have to know your why you are doing it, why you are forcing yourself to step out of your comfort zone. And same is relevant for me. I'm starting a YouTube channel, which I don't have experience with. I'm starting to get in front of the camera, which I don't have experience with. And to be honest, at this moment, I don't feel that I'm really entertaining, but I have to learn it. How can I learn it? I'm practicing it a lot. So, first of all, let's start with my goal with YouTube for 2022. Oh, I nearly forgot. Actually, I don't like to develop strategies for things I don't have any experience. I made some preparation. I watched a lot of YouTube videos from YouTubers who already have enough success. The credits for this strategy is for the ChannelMakers, Gary Waynerchuk, Abdaal, Casey Neistat. I really love watching their videos. I'm going to use their advices they gave for new YouTubers how to grow the channel, and I'm going to test it and give it a year, and let's see what happens. My goal with YouTube is quite simple. This will be a business for me. To be able to make money, to be able to gain revenue, I need to make sure that I will have enough subscribers, enough followers by the end of the year, or at least early 2023. So the first goal is to gain 10 to 60,000 subscribers by 31st of January 2023. Why am I doing it? I'm doing it because I would like to earn revenue. On the other hand, I would like to earn revenue before the end of the year. Basically, I would like to make sure that I'm going to have at least 4,000 US dollars per month income by the end of this year. This income is going to come from 3 different revenue streams. First one will be ad revenue. This will be roughly 1/3 of my revenue stream. The other third will come from selling the product I'm going to develop during the year. What this product will be about, I don't know yet. I have an idea. On the other hand, I have to validate with my followers. And the third portion of my revenue is going to come through affiliate links. I know 3 times 1.5k is more than 4,000. I have to aim higher to make sure I am going to achieve my goals. What is going to be my niche? I have an idea, but maybe it is going to change during the year. Let's summarize who I'm going to talk to. So my niche will be leaders and professionals, most likely engineers. Or if it turns out that I'm more interesting for other people, then it is going to change my niche. Why am I doing it, and why do I think that I can talk to leaders and professionals? Because my goal, and this is the same goal that my company is sharing as well, is to help leaders and young engineers to scale up to the next level. And we have also B2B clients, and our goal this year is to help our clients to gain at least 100 million euro in terms of revenue, or in terms of cost savings or optimization of their operations. My channel will have 3 main content pillars. First pillar will be about leadership, the second one will be about engineering, and the third one will be about self-improvement. As this is a new experiment to me, I always have to make sure that I'm not going to force myself into these 3 categories. If it turns out that you guys are more interested in other topics I'm familiar with and I'm happy to share, then there might be a 4th pillar which will be included also in this channel. As the channel is very, very new, I don't really think that anyone is going to watch it in the next couple of months. On the other hand, if the topics are good and my skills are improving, I expect that it is going to gain some traction, and there will be more and more followers coming and more videos will be watched, and then I really hope it is going to get as popular as I wish. The main point is that I really have to enjoy creating the videos, and I enjoy the topics I'm talking about, and I really know what I'm talking about. I think this is how my channel is going to gain traction. At the very beginning, I really don't think that anyone is going to watch. Sooner or later, there will be some viewers finding my channel and start to follow it. So at the very beginning, in the very first phase, I'm just going to build a small community. After I manage to gain a small community, I'm going to get more and more feedback from my very first followers, and it is going to help me to decide what topics to post about. And I really hope that at that time I'm going to have better and better camera presence, and I'm going to become familiar to talk to camera. So in the second phase, my goal is to become an expert in your eyes. And the third phase is quite simple: to expand and to grow. The first phase is going to help me to really get going, to get familiar with the tech, to find my style, to find a way to express the topics I'm going to talk about in a way that it is going to be entertaining for you. If you think this video is crap, I have to admit, yes, you are right. On the other hand, I really hope that in 3 months from now it is going to be better. In 6 months from now it is going to be even better. And in 1 year from now I'm going to create amazing videos for you. That's my goal, to make sure that you find value in it. So at the very beginning, the main point is to make sure that I'm getting going and I develop my process. As soon as I gain traction, as soon as I am getting familiar to talk to the camera and also learn how to use the tech, how to use my editing software, the main focus will be on the quality. So in the second phase, I'm going to focus on to make sure that I'm getting good and my videos are getting good. And in the first phase, I'm going to focus on getting smart. This will be the phase when I'm trying to gain some value from you as well. If you think that my videos will be useful, I'm going to develop my product and I'm going to put my products on the market, and I'm going to provide products which will be very, very good for you and you will love them. So basically, the first phase will be about business, about getting smart. But in order to be able to provide you more and more value, I'm going to get enough cash flow to be able to keep my job and providing you more and more and better videos. So basically, I'm going to make sure that my workflow is going to be very smooth. I'm going to have clear strategies. I'm going to have clear processes, and then you will love the outcome. I really hope that you are going to find my videos useful, and your feedback will help me to get going. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.